Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 13577 Class 3 trailer hitch on the 2010 Nissan Murano. For a better view of the installation, we'll be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. Begin by supporting the exhaust system with an old coat hanger or ratchet strap. We'll be lowering the exhaust system by removing the rubber exhaust isolators. We recommend using a spray lubricant or a soapy water mixture, along with a pry bar to remove the rubber isolators. A special isolator removal tool can be used, but is not necessary. Lower the exhaust carefully. Continue by removing 4 bolts holding down the tie-down bracket located here on the driver's side. This bracket will not be reinstalled except for 1 bolt that will be used to secure the hitch plate. Use a wire brush or thread tap to clean any rust or coating in the threads of the frame's weld-nut attachment points before installing the hitch. Raise the hitch into position over the attachment points and install the 12mm bolts and washers into the side plate attachment points. Reinstall 1 tie-down bracket bolt on the driver's side hitch plate. Torque all hardware to the exact values specified in the supplied instruction sheet. Reinstall the rubber isolators and remove the exhaust support. This completes the installation of the CURT 13577 Class 3 trailer hitch on the 2010 Nissan Murano. Install the CURT custom vehicle to trailer wiring harness next. Thank you for watching this video. Now you can bring it.